In September 2022, a historic milestone was announced to connect the Sultanate of Oman and the United Arab Emirates through a rail network, emphasizing the strength of a strategic and historic relationship. The joint venture between Oman Rail and Etihad Rail, previously known as Oman and Etihad Rail Company, now unveils Hafeet Rail, the new brand identity of a groundbreaking partnership. Inspired by the iconic Jebel Hafeet that extends through the geographic landscapes of both countries, Hafeet Rail spans a 238-kilometer network symbolizing one ambition, two nations, many horizons. Its key benefits include reduced transport times, lower CO2 emissions, and substantial cost savings. Seamlessly connecting Sohar Port in the Sultanate of Oman to the UAE National Rail Network, Hafeet Rail contributes to optimizing trade routes, simplifying supply chains, and public transport efficiency. With travel time from Sohar to Abu Dhabi reduced by over 50% to 100 minutes. This network significantly improves transport integration, opening up opportunities for sectors such as fast-moving consumer goods, mining, and construction. Ultimately, Hafeet Rail fosters unparalleled opportunities such as economic growth, job creation, tourism development. With meticulous planning and engineering alongside the award of tenders, Hafeet Rail has already commenced setting the foundation for a transformative rail network. Beyond economic growth, Hafeet Rail also commits to environmental sustainability. By transitioning freight from roads to rail, it seeks to significantly reduce road traffic, emissions, and maintenance needs. It's more than just a transportation network. Hafeet Rail fosters stronger community ties, facilitating easier travel for work and leisure. Join us as we embark on this journey of collaboration and prosperity with Hafeet Rail.